All right, guys, today I am going to be changing the hood mirror on my 2016 Freightliner Cascadia. It's a really easy repair, and again, a lot of this stuff you can do yourself. The tools you're going to need are a T20 tip, a set of needle nose pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a little bit of tape. Always have to have tape on your truck, and a little bit of all-purpose grease. Be right back. Let's do it. All right, it's a little loud, truck idling back there, but inside I'm going to show you there's a little nut with a spring on it right in there. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to, you want to push that in and do a quarter turn to take that plate off. Okay, simple enough. Now we're going to use that T20 screw head to remove 3 of the T20 bolts that are holding the whole thing together, and they're right here. 1, 2, and 3. T20. Okay, now I'm going to take this back cover off. Okay, now I'm going to go grab the new part. I'm going to just take the part out. I got this from Parts Geek. I'm not affiliated with them. Like I said, I'm a little tiny channel, but I have had a lot of success getting my parts from Parts Geek. Okay, here is the part number. Here, my brand new mirror is my little plastic clip that goes on the back. On the back of this is a little tab. It's flat like this, so that has to fit into the rectangle this way. Then I'll show you that with the needle nose pliers, what we have to do is grab it from the other side, pull it, and give it a quarter turn, and it'll lock right in. But in order for that to work, I have to put this little, call this thing, I don't know what you call it, little plastic thing over the top of this. And in order to keep that little part in place, because it'll just fall off. That's where the grease comes in. I'm going to add a little bit of grease on here just to make it stick. There you go. Now another thing too, you want to make sure you get this right. It has to go in with the one bolt up there. That's the top, and this is the bottom, so you don't want to get those confused. So anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of grease right here, a little bit of grease right there, and that will be enough to hold that baby on. The tape, because I'm going to have to grab this thing with 2 hands to pull that tab out. Just need more leverage. Okay, so now I'm going to turn around the other way, and then I've got to put back in those 3 screws, and then we're done. I'm going to use my tape again to tape this onto the back. All right, got my bucket. Tape off. All right, this baby is as good as new because it is new. Check it out. You know, hey, a lot of these things we can do ourselves and we can save some money. I don't know, that part cost me $35 to get that part, and I don't know what they would have charged in labor. It was a little bit of a challenge, but if you work around it, you can get it done. And we can save some money out here as owner operators. Hey, go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks for tuning in to the Scorpion Trucker.